Hey, it's Dan from The Food in My Beard. I'm here with a new recipe for Old Crock cheese. This is gonna be with their awesome roasted garlic and herb flavor. I'm gonna stuff that in the center of a burger. So when you take a bite of that burger, the cheese is just gonna come oozing out. And serve it with chips on top. So it's gonna be like a Queso Fundido appetizer, but in burger form. I'm gonna start by chopping up this chorizo, and we're gonna mix the chorizo in with the cheese on the inside of the burger. Seared off the chorizo, so it's all ready for the center of these burgers. I have my old crock here. I have the meat ready to go. And I'm just gonna slice the cheese into smaller slices. This actually comes in sliced now too. So if you can find the sliced, you can just use this as well. Alright, these are all set. They're stuffed with delicious cheese and chorizo, and I'm gonna bring them upstairs and throw them on the grill. Oh, I just love the nacho layers on top of here. It's just so cool, and there's so much cheese just kind of dripping down the side of the burger. Like, you have that fresh pico, you have a little bit of spice, you have the pickled jalapenos, and the crunch of the tortilla chips with that creamy, oozy cheese just like coming out of the center of the burger. The chorizo gives it the kick, but the Old Crock gives it the bite. So keep an eye out for this roasted garlic and herb cheese from Old Crock, and find it in slices too. I'm Dan from The Food in My Beard. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Make this awesome nacho burger and you won't regret it.